According to all the leaks and reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 won't be a significant improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Literally, the only thing we're anticipating is that it will feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor inside and an updated hinge that eliminates the gap when the device is folded and maybe lessens the size of the crease. The Z Fold 5 could possibly be dust resistant. However, even with the inclusion of dust resistance, the Galaxy Z Fold 5's list of new features and upgrades is unlikely to wow many. Naturally, it's not a good appearance for a phone that costs more than $1,500, and once the device becomes public, concerns about it being too similar to the Z Fold 4 will undoubtedly surface online. Fair enough, Samsung shouldn't precisely give significant upgrades on its flagship smartphones every year, particularly if such upgrades may come with a larger price tag. However, on the Fold side, there has to be something to get thrilled about every time a new flagship is released, and it seems like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will mostly fall short in that aspect. However, there is at least one reason why it may not be such a terrible thing. Not enough people these days replace their phones every year. Samsung and other Android makers have been extending the software support time for their handsets since consumers are keeping their smartphones for far longer than they ever did. In addition, since the COVID epidemic began in 2020, global economic circumstances have been worse. Not many people are eager to convert from one $1,500 plus smartphone to another $1,500 plus smartphone in only 1 year, especially given that Samsung Galaxy smartphones don't have tremendous resale value, at least not when compared to the iPhone. To presume that individuals upgrade their phones even every 2 years would be a reach, in my opinion. If I were to venture a prediction, I'd say that owners of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 or Galaxy Z Fold 2 will purchase the Galaxy Z Fold 5 more often since the new model will provide them enough new features to avoid feeling cheated. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is about a year old but is still very wonderful, so anybody who has it should preferably wait for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or Z Fold 7 instead of moving to the Z Fold 5, particularly if they want to make a financially responsible buying choice. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.